Hey there, science lovers. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is misunderstood: firearms. We'll break down the mechanics of guns, how they work, and the science behind them. So stick around because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about the basic components. A typical firearm consists of the barrel, the firing mechanism, the magazine, and the safety. The barrel is where the magic happens. When you pull the trigger, a hammer strikes the primer at the base of the bullet, igniting the gunpowder inside. This rapid combustion creates high-pressure gas that forces the bullet to shoot out of the barrel at incredible speeds. Now you might be wondering, how does the bullet actually hit the target? Well, that's where rifling comes in. Rifling refers to the spiral grooves inside the barrel. These grooves make the bullet spin as it travels, stabilizing it and improving accuracy. Think of it like a quarterback throwing a perfect spiral in football. The spinning keeps the bullet on a stable flight path, making it more likely to hit what you're aiming at. Let's move on to the magazine. This is essentially the ammo storage for the firearm. When you fire a round, the gun's mechanism will either automatically or manually load the next bullet from the magazine into the chamber. This is what allows semi-automatic and automatic firearms to fire multiple rounds with a single pull of the trigger. Safety is a crucial aspect of firearm mechanics. Most guns have built-in safety features to prevent accidental discharge. This could be a physical safety switch or a more complex mechanism integrated into the trigger system. Remember, even with these safeties in place, it's vital to handle firearms with extreme caution. Finally, let's touch on the science of ballistics. Ballistics is the study of how projectiles move through the air. External ballistics looks at what happens to the bullet after it leaves the barrel, including the effects of gravity, air resistance, and wind. Internal ballistics focuses on the processes inside the gun when it's fired. Understanding these principles can help in designing more efficient and accurate firearms. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of how guns work and the science behind them. Guns are intricate machines with a lot of moving parts, and understanding their mechanics can be both fascinating and educational. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this explainer, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome science content. Until next time, stay curious.